Welcome. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of integrating machine learning directly within database systems. This is a game-changing approach that brings intelligence closer to your data. The topic is machine learning in databases, integrating machine learning capabilities with database systems. We have a brain icon plus a database icon. So, what exactly does machine learning in databases mean? It refers to the integration of machine learning algorithms directly into database systems to enable intelligent data processing and automated insights. We will discuss 3 key points in database machine learning: real-time analytics, automated insights. Let's explore some of the key benefits of this integration. First, reduced latency. Eliminating data movement between systems results in faster processing. Second, enhanced security, keeping sensitive data within the database environment. Third, real-time insights, generate predictions and analytics on live data streams. Fourth, cost efficiency, reduce infrastructure overhead and data transfer costs. Machine learning in databases supports various tasks, including classification, which categorizes data into predefined classes. Regression, which predicts continuous numerical values. Clustering, which groups similar data points together. Anomaly detection, which identifies unusual patterns or outliers. Several database platforms now offer built-in machine learning capabilities. PostgreSQL supports the Madlib extension and statistical functions. Oracle Database offers Oracle machine learning and automated machine learning features. SQL Server provides machine learning services with R and Python integration. BigQuery Machine Learning enables SQL-based machine learning and is cloud-native. Here's a simple SQL example using BigQuery Machine Learning to create a linear regression model. The statement create model sales underscore model options, model underscore type equals linear underscore reg, AS select advertising underscore spend, seasonality, sales underscore revenue AS label from sales underscore data. This SQL syntax shows how easy it is to create and train machine learning models directly in the database. The model training process typically involves 4 key steps. Step 1, data preparation. Clean and pre-process data within the database. Step 2, model training. Execute machine learning algorithms using SQL commands. Step 3, model evaluation. Assess model performance and accuracy. Step 4, deployment. Use model for predictions on new data. Once a model is trained, making predictions is straightforward. The statement select customer underscore ID, ML, predict, model sales underscore model, select asterisk from new underscore data, AS predicted underscore sales from customers. This enables real-time predictions on live data, seamless integration with existing queries, and immediate actionable insights. Despite the benefits, there are challenges to consider. First, resource management, as machine learning workloads can impact database performance. Second, limited algorithm options with fewer machine learning algorithms compared to specialized tools. Third, scalability concerns, as large data sets may require distributed processing. Fourth, model management, version control, and lifecycle management complexity. The future of machine learning in databases is promising, with trends like AutoML integration for automated model selection, deep learning support for neural networks, real-time analytics for streaming machine learning, and federated learning for distributed machine learning across multiple databases. Machine learning-enabled databases are transforming how we process and analyze data, bringing intelligence closer to the source. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.